guys, this is Mario 5. Okay, so we found this on the room, in this little hallway. Yeah, I know how long we got it. And look what we did to it. We're cleaning it out. Like the lamp? I know, cool, right? There's that old baby you just had back. We tried to start a level in here, but it didn't work.
What else is that stuff, Velen?
We're trying to renovate the bathroom. We cleaned out a little rat person long ago. What is this? Yep, this one isn't Dusty Along. We used to have this lamp way back in the 2000s. I think you saw these typewriters. Didn't work. Done. You gotta fix that vent there.
Yo,
Yeah, when I was a teenager.
Eesh! This bathroom is a mess. What is this pipe down here? I know, it's not yet. So, that's the room renovation.